Here's a 2017 Chevy Silverado double cab, 253,000 miles with a clean CarFax in silver. Nice local trade here. We know it well. It was actually purchased from our Bedford Chevrolet store and now traded back into us. So let's just go ahead and go around the vehicle here and show you some of the highlights. We got the smoked headlamp pod there with the integrated halogen fog lights, lower bumper fascia, chrome lower bumper, as well as the chrome bars throughout the grill area. Got your standard alloy wheels here with good tires, general grabber tires, 3/4 tread or better. You also can see a nice shiny resurfaced rotor and thick brake pad. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at All Things Automotive. I do use car mechanical check on all our vehicles. Find the results of that inspection signed off by the technician that performed it. Glove box of all of our cars. Got all the books and adapters in there that you would need for the truck with the trailer package. We also got this report that I'd like to show you here. As you can see, we got 8, 9, 30 seconds on all the brakes. The tires are all 10s, light new tires all the way around. So we do not skimp on wearables. We don't just wash these cars off and stick them on the lot. We do our very best to completely recondition them, despite the competitive market that we are all doing business in. As we see, we have manual adjustment here on the passenger seat with light gray cloth covered seating, offset white stitching. 40/20/40 fold down center console allows for 6 passenger seating if needed. See the otherwise gray on gray dash. We do have the slush liners here. As you can see, there's slush mats to help protect the carpet. As we look in the back, this is a double cab, but you still have ample leg, hip, and shoulder room. We did put that seat all the way back so you can see the minimum as far as leg room, but the other side is in normal position, so there is ample leg, hip, and shoulder room. And it does, because of the double cab, give you the big box, so you do got the bigger bed. You can see the brand new spare underneath there, and 0 oxidation on the frame rail. Step bumpers, LT badging, backup camera, class 3 tow hitch with integrated 7-way round 4-way flat connector, spray on factory liner. Again, all the tires, general grabbers, all match, no rust, oxidation issues. Driver's side rear condition, very clean, no rips, tears, stains, or odors. Previous owner was a non-smoker. Driver's seat does have the power adjustable, including lumbar, unlike the passenger. Also got 2 sets of keys, as you can see there with the factory remote start integration. We do have power windows, power locks, power mirrors located right on the door. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Wow, that warms up. See, 17, 200, no accidents or damage, 10 service repair history records. So we got all the service was done here or up at our store, Chevy store in Bedford, so we know where it came from, how it was cared for. Here's shift on the fly 4-wheel drive transfer. There's your headlamp control, push for fog, automatic setting. We also have the dimmer for your interior. Stem to the left, intermittent wiper washers. Column shifter here with the tow haul button, the ability to select any of the gears. In the middle, we got your cruise to the left. Got your control pad for your center display here, a confirmation button in the middle, and your hands-free Bluetooth settings and buttons. Upgraded radio, AM, FM, satellite radio, the ability to pair your phone. Does not have factory navigation. You got your analog controls for your radio. Do have dual climate control with automatic temperature setting, and we do have your heated driver and passenger seats. Traction control and your cargo light. 3 large cup holders on your drop down center console, and all your connectivity is inside the center console. 2 USBs, an auxiliary, and a 12-volt power supply. All GMs are equipped with OnStar. We got an auto dim on your rear view. We do have 2 LED map lights and illuminated visors with mirror. So, pretty well equipped. Let's go ahead. See, we got a foot pedal here for the emergency brake, not an electronic button like some have now. Nice chrome flat bug shield here, really sets it off, looks great. Low profile, they call it. See, 5.3 liter V8, tried, true, trusted from Chevrolet. No exhaust leaks, fluid leaks, no corrosion on the electrical terminals. Well maintained vehicle, as I said before. We also got the window guards all the way around. All right, now I showed you the mechanical evaluation, like new tires, 3/4 brakes. Showed you a copy of the auto history report, 2 owners, no accidents. The last part of making informed buying decisions, cosmetic appearance. So I'm gonna walk the truck now, show you any minor imperfections the vehicle may have. A little dent on that window molding there. We do our very best to only keep the cleanest trades that come in here. And body-wise, this vehicle is in very nice condition. Looks good all the way around. The last owner is very meticulous. Takes very good care of his vehicles. A little scratch right there on the tailgate. A couple little scuffs up here by the bed cap cover. Working our way down the driver's bedside. Little nick here. Any truck, you're going to get a little damage on the bedside, little minor dings or dents sometimes, but this one looks pretty good. Door on the passenger side looks just fine. Fender looks good. And like I say, no dings or dents on either the front or the rear chrome bumper or grille area. Nice and clean, and then the bug shield helped protect the hood. Does have a couple chips that made it up by, but all in all, guys, a nice light new alternative. Does still have the powertrain portion of Chevrolet's manufacturing warranty transferable to the next owner, so you can buy with confidence. If you're interested, a few ways of getting a hold of us. You can come visit us 21518 Great Cove Road in McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Give us a call at area code 717-485-4224, option 1 for sales. Or, of course, you can shop 24/7 online at www.allthingsautomotive.com. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.